Adamson keeping in step with the defending champions USD in set number 1, although there have been some errors on the part of Adamson. If they were able to limit those in the first set, they would have been up maybe 3-4 points, ano?
So true, Eric. In spite of those errors, definitely I can count 3 offensive errors. But still, USD is just up by 1.
Judy Caballejo, another player who's played splendidly last Sunday against LaSalle, with the odds against them not having Hirotsuhi, one of the tall players, tall rookies for USD.
That was such a game, man.
Oh, definitely. A classic. That was the first time, for those of you who just tuned in, first time LaSalle has been taken to 5 sets. Tip there by Isa Maizo. Scrambled by Adamson. Over on the second ball. Oh, set up job by Makatuno. Kneeling on the floor. What a play by Adamson. Again, showing you how resilient they are, no?
Right. It's iba talaga if you have defense, because you see how they take care of the ball. And look at this off-speed hit by Angela Bintig. Scores him the point. Minsan kasi yung kalaban you're not able to put up the ball anymore. So, medyo may early celebration ng quartet. So, Angela Bintig just taking advantage of that situation. And this time, an ace coming from Zapata.
3-0 run or 3-0 run. Make that 4-0 run by Adamson here. And they are up after trailing by 1 at the first technical timeout. They have the lead and napako ang USD sa 8, no?
3-point lead. Zapata still on the line.
Di makulangan, back set. Single block by Benting on Isa Maizo. Off-speed hit by Panatikla. Underhand set, Angela Benting firing away and scoring again.
Once again, Angela Benting just looking for those open spots, open areas of USD.
Timeout on the floor. Let's go and listen to Coach Shaq.
Pumapalo ba ng malakas? Hindi naman Pinapalo ng short. Nakatingin kayo sa likod, sa harap nyo na bumabagsak yung bola. Ano iniisip nyo? Ay, hindi pwedeng ganyan. Ha? Ay, hindi pwedeng. Yung sibat sa likod. So, lumabas ka. Sumobra dito. Lahat ng niya pupunta sa antena, ikaw nakapasok. Hindi kayo makikita.
Coach Shaq clearly concerned about the lack of, I guess, focus, USD, because yun nga, mahihina lang naman ang palo, pero ba't di nyo makuha?
It's daming instances where we see USD titinginan for defense. At on the other side, ito naman really flowing like a well-oiled machine in defense ng Adamson. That's why they're able to set up plays. An easy offense coming from Adamson.
And take a look at the error even from one of the best players in the league, Isa Maizo. And nakita mo yung sinabi ni Coach Shaq, na hindi pwede yan ngayon. He was very lax with the Tigresses against LaSalle, but right now he's stressing na hindi na pwede yan. This is the Final Four. If you lose this first match and give Adamson a chance, the momentum, mahirap na makabawi, and he's very, very concerned.
You have to remember that Adamson is now riding on that momentum, winning over Ateneo spectacularly. That's why nakita mo it's continuing in this game. So you don't want to give this game to Adamson, knowing that yung character nila ganyan, nakakakuha ng motivation from big wins and able to carry it on to the next game.
USD with a 2-0 run here. They're trailing by 3. The tip by Isa Maizo. Angela Binting, the double block is there. Picked up by USD. Panatikla, easy over. Over received that time by the libero of Adamson, and that forces the Lady Falcons to an error.
That was a gift given by Adamson as Isa Maizo just went up, took that point.
$11 serving 13. USD, the defending champions, still trailing. Poor reception by Dimlog. And after USD giving up 6 straight points, it is Adamson's turn to give up 4 straight points right now.
Sayang yan for Adamson.
Lamang na sila ng 6.
Yep, it couldn't get hold of that momentum.
I'm sorry, lamang sila ng 5 at that point at 13-8. Benting.
Angela Benting, same spot from the previous point. The first, see it. Look at this open hit in spite of
Wow.
2 blockers, 2 tall blockers. Ortiz and Maizo, pinadaan sa gitna. Napakaliit na butas, but there's still Angela Benting. So, just playing solid so far.
Soriano, blocked by Ortiz, picked up and still alive. Great defense again by Adamson. Makatuno, Benting over the block. Maizo, the tip. Great coverage by Vasquez. Soriano picked up by Banaticla. Joust at the net, won by Benting. Bernal.
Vasquez is just all over the place.
What a rally. Di makulangan. Bernal again. Too long, too strong. But there is a check.
Thought there was a check. As Bernal gets that point from the open hit.
USD getting the break that they needed right there, and they are within 1. 13, serving 14. Steep serve. Soriano, blocked by Bernal and Ortiz. 4 players from Adamson dive down to the floor. You see the commitment that they are putting onto this game. 14 all. And Coach Mami Dulce calls a timeout. Let's listen to Adamson.
Kuha ng kuha! Ha? Okay, okay? Okay. O, patas lang yan. Take your time. Hinga, 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 hinga. Hinga. Okay. Huwag bibigay, huwag bibigay. Kunin niyo ulit yan. O, receive ha, receive. Huwag magdumali. Huwag magdumali. Kanina nagkakagulo, pinanonood mo lang sila. Dapat ikaw na yung kumuha, in-over mo. Ha, okay. O, erase ha, erase. Erase. Erase.
Mami Dulce rebooting the minds of the players. And just telling them to, let's go back to square one. You know,
Yep.
it's 14 all. Let's get our act together and get another run.
I think it was a good timeout for Mami Dulce. Because you don't want UST pulling away.
Bernal. Again, Bernal struggling.
It's really long balls. Kailangan yung konti pang snapping of the wrist.
Adamson regains the lead by 1.
To serve Pao Soriano.
Pao Soriano coming up with a 12-point performance against Ateneo. What a shot by Maizo, but still, one way or another, Makatuno able to win the joust against the taller Bernal. Adamson up by 2, 16-14 in set number 1.